I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. What's up, guys? So today, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that if you got moisture. Well, these ones are all good. That's just, this one seems like this one has a moisture in it. So I'm gonna show you how to get the moisture out the quickest, the easiest, and the cheapest way. This isn't gonna cost any money. We're not gonna use any glues. We're not gonna use anything. Just pure technique. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open it up, and it's hard to see, but there's some clips here. We're just gonna get the light out. So that's the very first thing we're gonna do. And I'm gonna give the camera to Trish. She's gonna videotape it. So I took this plastic shield off that pretty much just protects the latch, and it gives you access when you pull off this carpet, because you can't get this carpet off. So what we got to take off is these bolts right here. They're two 10mm bolts, and these plugs, we're gonna pop the headlight out. And by headlight, I mean tail light. If you guys have watched my other video of the Lancer taillight removal and install, this should be a breeze for you guys. Okay, so now we got this. Usually why these, well, you can actually see. Do you guys see the water there? Well, usually why these fail is the glue around here will come separated. Some people re-glue them and stuff. If you guys want perfect results, go buy a brand new one. But this is gonna be the quickest, fastest, cheapest way. And that's what we're gonna do. So pretty much what we're gonna do now is inspect it. And I got my favorite here. This is called a quick change truck. We just change it out, and then we change in one of these. That's what we're gonna put in. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna drill the bottom. That's what we gotta do. And I want you to drill right in this corner. The reason why we're drilling in this corner, oops. The reason why we're drilling in this corner is because this is where all the water collects. So now I'm gonna tip it up, all the water's gonna come out. All the water didn't come out. But I'm also gonna make a hole at the top here. And the reason why we're gonna make a hole at the top is because when water gets hot, it always evaporates to the sky. So I know what you're thinking, oh, water's gonna get in at the top. No, it's not. And if it does, it's gonna go the hole through the bottom. So that's okay. So I did the top one. And now I'm gonna get all this stuff out of there with a heat gun. And then we should be able to reassemble this. Water comes back in, it's just gonna come out because we got the holes proper filtering. Got this heat gun here. We're gonna heat this up, and we're gonna prematurely get the get the moisture out of these. Be careful not to melt the plastic. You can already see it starting to get all foggy. This is what we want. I'm just giving it a shake right now. Just giving it a little bit of a shake. Whoa.
It still looks like shit.
Well, no, I mean, and I'm gonna leave this right here for
the sun to get at it.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here for the sun to get at it. My hands are all wet, so the water's coming out. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's exactly 11:52. So we're gonna I'm gonna go down. Just gotta do some stuff at the mall. So I'm gonna put this stuff back together, and we'll see you in like 5 minutes. But really, it won't be 5 minutes. It will be, I'd say, give it about 3 or 4 hours, and it should be good. It's already starting to clear up. So yeah, it's quick, it's easy, and I haven't spent a single amount of money on it yet. All right, guys, so I'm back from the mall. As you can see, yeah, the light, it's just going down now. It's let me check the clock. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's 7:10 p.m. and there's light. So as you can see, all the moisture is gone. And yes, this is the one that we drilled the holes in, and the one we drilled the holes in the bottom. So I didn't just go and buy a new light or whatever. I actually use the same one. So pretty much I'm gonna put it back in, and we'll take a look at what it looks like. Now sometimes if you guys are like, oh, I don't want to leave holes still in my I don't want to leave holes in my light, just take some silicone and put it right over the top, put it right over the bottom. But me, I'm going to leave it open, just because if more moisture gets in, it can get out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pop that on, and boom, and there you go, guys. I mean, you can see it's not perfect because I have like little frags right here of stuff, but I mean, as for condensation, all that stuff is gone. So it was successful. Now, that didn't cost me any money, just a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of time. And like I said before, if you guys want it to be perfect, you're gonna have to buy a brand new one, which is gonna cost you a lot of money, or buy a used one, which is gonna cost you a lot of money. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna show you a special feature on this specific, well, no, not this specific vehicle, but I'm gonna show you guys, if you ever get like stuck in your trunk, how to get out of your trunk. Yep. Okay, guys, so I got my dad here. I'm gonna get in the trunk, and then I'm gonna show you how to get out. So we're getting in the trunk. Say you're like kidnapped or something. I get in the trunk. Oh, pretty much stuck. All right, Pops, you wanna shut the trunk? Okay, so I'm in the trunk. If you look here, there's a glow-in-the-dark piece that you're gonna see in the trunk. And like, I'm pushing on the trunk right now, and it won't open. So what you gotta do is, see that? Put the light on, then you open it up, and then you get out. And then you can run away. So that's how you get out of the trunk. I mean, I think I might have just pushed my spare down. That's okay. So yeah, this tab is right here, and all the newer cars have it. So that's your tip of the day, guys. What do you have to say about that, Pops?
Yeah, that's the only way to get out.
Yeah, and then you can get out. Not a lot of people know about that. So there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you out, save you some money, and foremost, entertain you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.